Good morning. Today we will talk about the layers of the earth depending on the physical properties, not on the chemical composition, like what we said the last time. The earth layers depending on the chemical composition are what we used to learn before: the crust, mantle, outer core and inner core, depending on the chemical composition what make up these layers. But now we'll talk about the physical properties, يعني mostly about if the layer is soft or hard, يعني is it molten rocks or hard rocks, like this. Okay, let's talk about these 5 physical layers that are the lithosphere first, then the asthenosphere, wait, lithosphere, asthenosphere, mesosphere, outer core and inner core, because outer core and inner core also both of them يعني you know that the outer core is liquid metals while the inner core is solid. So also they have different chemical composition and they are also different in the physical situation. Now the outermost rigid layer, rigid, it's rigid for sure, that's why it holds us, okay, on the land, and also it holds the water in the ocean above it. This outermost rigid layer of earth is the lithosphere. The lithosphere is made of the crust and the rigid upper part of the mantle. So it is not only the crust, it includes the, as what you see here, this is the lithosphere. They wrote it here. It includes the crust and the uppermost solid mantle layer. يعني the upper part of the mantle, it's solid. It is included in the lithosphere. Also, the lithosphere is divided into parts, into plates, separated plates. These separated plates are called tectonic plates, and the movement of the tectonic plates cause the movements of the tectonic plates cause volcanoes and earthquakes. Okay, so this is about the lithosphere, the upper part of the earth, which is made of the crust and the uppermost solid mantle. Then the asthenosphere is under the lithosphere, and it is made of the soft part of the mantle, the softer part of the mantle that can move more, okay, slowly. It moves slowly, but it can move. And the tectonic plates above the lithosphere are moving. This slow motion, it change the earth over the years. The motion of the asthenosphere under the lithosphere cause many changes in the earth shape. The asthenosphere is located below the lithosphere. Tectonic plates move on the top of the asthenosphere. Then the strong lower part of the mantle is called mesosphere. This is the last part of the mantle here. It's in yellow, as you see. The yellow, and above it also the orange. This is mesosphere. Then under the mesosphere, the outer core. Then finally the inner core. This is everything. The rock in the mesosphere flows more slowly because it's stronger. it start to be also solid. So it's stronger, more slowly than the rock in the asthenosphere. The outer core is the liquid layer of the earth core, then it lies beneath the mantle and surrounds the inner core. Finally, the inner core is the solid, as well. This is not new. It's the solid and very dense center of our planet. Okay, the difference between it and between the outer core, that it is very dense because it becomes solid. The solid mass is greater, so it becomes greater in mass or in density also. The inner core extends from bottom of the outer core to the center of the earth. That's it. We are done from this lesson. Thank you. Solve this the lesson review as what I will put it on the platform. Have a nice weekend.